The big news about the Raider is we are getting...
I don't know if it's like a stranger or if it's a cop.
Woo! Let's go, baby!
2020 is going to be the biggest year this channel has ever seen.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Johnny Fisherman 14, JF14, you know, whatever you want to call it. If you are new here, welcome for the first time. My name's Johnny, started this channel about 4 something yonder years ago, but we're still going strong. Today, guys, I want to just sort of break down and give some very exciting news as to what is happening with my vehicle, the Dodge Raider, the Mighty Mike and Ike, the little humdinger out there. But here is what's been happening. The Raider has something called rod knock. It's where bearings, which are kind of make the car go, they rub up against each other and it's metal on metal, and then they grind each other down, and then there that goes. And the problem with that is it creates rod knock, which basically prevents the engine from moving. So, therefore, the car can't go anywhere. So, we brought it down to mechanic way the heck down in Riverside. I mean, we towed this thing forever. Brought it there. They said it was going to be $3,000. Come to say later, it was going to be $5,000 to fix. I mean, bruh. We got the car and everything figured out, and they told us that was going to be about a week. A week goes by. They said they didn't have the parts for it. And I'm thinking to myself, like, if you're a mechanic, how can't you find the parts for it? I mean, that's kind of your job, right? That's like if you were like a worker at McDonald's and you said, I can't find the food. So we basically had to go online, find the parts for them, and ship it to them. We ship it to them. They said it would be about another week. They found the problems with it, and they showed us around their shop a little bit. Then we drove back home, and basically it's still over at their shop, and I can't wait to get this thing. The big news about the Raider is we are getting it fixed, and then I can take it out to Holy Jim and Holy Maria, Bob's your uncle, Sammy's your aunt, and we'll just, give it a couple doozies out there, man. But ladies and gentlemen, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a like down below, the little thumbs up, and also leave a comment below as to what other videos you'd like to see on this channel. Please make sure to subscribe, the little red box down below. And we'd also just dropped a very new music video, Falling For You, live out on everything except for SoundCloud, so gotta post it on there. But that'll be suggested right above my head, so go ahead and watch that. But guys, if you enjoyed this video, I hope you did. Please make sure to stay tuned for more exciting Raider videos to come. And also, guys, here is your motivational quote of the day. And it is, "A dream that you don't fight for can haunt you for the rest of your life." Guys, we have so many dreams, we have so many goals, but if we don't actually physically go out and do it, we can't ever expect a dream to come to us. We always have to be willing and able to fight for that dream. So guys, I hope you all are staying safe, staying healthy. God bless those who have the virus. I hope you guys are getting well soon, and I hope we can all go back to how life normally was, a couple yonder years ago. Anyway, guys, I hope you all have an incredible rest of your day, and as always, God is good, and as always, God, Fish, and Family, and I will see you in the next episode. Peace!